Good morning, welcome to the ASX at Breakfast. I'm Rachel, live from Kalkine Studios in Sydney. The Australian share market is expected to open lower today. The SPI futures are pointing to a 0.2% fall. Yesterday, the share market closed 0.82% lower at 6,844. In business news from this morning, Zipco reports its first quarter results for the 3-month period ending on the 30th of September. They achieved positive cash EBTDA as a group for the first quarter of 2024. While the company notes the current challenging external environment in its core markets, the improvement in guidance reflects the strength of the ANZ business. Continued strong momentum in the US total transaction volumes, ongoing margin expansion and continued cost discipline. Transaction volume for the quarter is at $2.3 billion, and that was up 11% year on year. Strong group quarterly revenue of $204.4 million, and that was up 31.9% year on year. The revenue margin improved to 8.9% versus 7.5% in the first quarter of 2023. Gloves maker Ansell has warned a glut of unsold products following the coronavirus pandemic and now spread to surgical items, causing distributors to cut back on their orders. COVID-19 triggered an unprecedented surge in demand for protective equipment for healthcare back in 2020 and 2021. And then Ansell and other PPE suppliers stepped up production sharply to meet this demand. As pandemic conditions began to ease in late 2021 and early 2022, the industry then found itself awash with stock. Over the past 12 to 18 months, they've seen waves of destocking in firstly the exam single-use market, followed by surgical and life sciences. Inevitably, this has been reflected in the financial year 2023 performance. There are signs that the worst of this destocking is behind them, and it's pleasing to note that end-user demand has largely returned to normal. Empire Energy has received $15.6 million in R&D tax offset. Current cash balance is now $29.3 million. Empire anticipates that it's fully funded to progress to EP187 Carpentaria pilot project of the final investment decision. This will help with planning, including identifying locations for and the design of development wells and service facilities, also pipeline access negotiations and a formal gas sales marketing process with regulatory and indigenous approvals and planning for project financing. Let's take a break now. We'll be back with more news set to affect your trading day.
Build better relationships, get connected, heard and noticed. We always believe in getting you the best. Kalkine Media's growing platform, Kalkine TV, helps you connect to an inquisitive audience from across the globe. Interact in a trusted environment. Showcase your brand on Kalkine TV in a seamless and effective manner. We connect and curate content as per your business needs. So why wait? Write to us at guestteam@kalkine.com.au.
And welcome back to the ASX at Breakfast. I'm Rachel Jones. The Dow Jones Industrial Average slipped 0.58%, while the S&P 500 fell 0.17%. The Nasdaq added 0.27%. European markets closed mixed, with London's FTSE falling 0.37%. Frankfurt added 0.02% and Paris closed 0.50% higher. In Asia, Tokyo's Nikkei lost 0.83%. Hong Kong's Hang Seng was closed, while China's Shanghai Composite closed 1.47% lower. That's the latest from the ASX at Breakfast. I'm Rachel, signing off for now.